Hey everyone, I usually try to do a video in week 4 that kind of helps students get comfortable with the week 4 word assessment. It can be a little tricky at first, so I think a video like this can be helpful. I'm not going to walk you through the whole thing. I don't want to do the work for you, obviously, but I do want to give you a good kind of foundation so that you can feel comfortable with this once you get started. So here we are in the week 4 folder, and this is the word assessment. So these are going to be the instructions. You're going to open that and you're going to have this Word document that has a bunch of text and then it has some instructions as well. Now, before you get started with this, you have to get into the lecture. You have to make sure you've gone through the lecture. And most importantly, when you're working on this, you have to go back to the lecture and to a series of videos that appear at the very end. These videos are indispensable. They're absolutely essential if you want to do this assignment correctly. Now remember, what we're doing here is we're learning how to use Microsoft Word and how to format, kind of do some basic formatting in Word, but we're formatting in a specific way, okay? So we're formatting according to the APA style, right? So you remember that from the lecture. So once you have that in mind, once you remember that, you're going to go back into the lecture and you're going to go to the very end, Microsoft Word Assessment Demonstration. Remember, you can't do this assignment without these, okay? So in order to do this properly, in order to have the chance to get full credit here, in order to really get a passing grade even, you have to follow these instructions very clearly, okay? And they're there just to make it a lot easier for you. Let me move this here. So these are the different videos that are going to be helpful. How to create a cover page in Word, how to do double spacing, how to add a page break, page numbering, fonts and formatting, that kind of thing. So make sure you're following those when you do this assignment. Okay, so you have that. We've got the instructions right here. So what do we end up doing with this? Okay, so remember, the whole point is to take some text from a basic Word document and then format it. So, just like the instructions say, you're going to copy and paste this text, and it's going to be starting here at the word title, and it's going to go all the way down to this second reference. You're going to take this, and you're going to copy and paste it into a blank Word document. So this is what you have, okay? So what you need to do is you need to format this according to the instructions, okay? So the instructions are right here after that text, formatting directions. Once you've completed copying and pasting the information above, you must format the information into a 4-page Word document that meets all the expectations below. So these bullet points, this is what you're going to do. Set the margins at 1 inch. Hint, hint, the margins are already set at 1 inch. But make sure that you have Times New Roman 12-point fonts. Make sure that you have a cover page that has all the elements that you have that you just copied and pasted. But remember to remove the little notes as well. And by notes, I mean the thing like title, colon, or instructor, colon, or date, colon, that kind of stuff. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to go through systematically, one by one, each of these, and you're going to format this text. The end result should be 4 pages, okay? When you're done with that, you're going to upload that to Blackboard. But again, remember, folks, what matters really more than anything else is that you follow